What's your favorite ammo brand? Post yours in the comments.
Flex up, stretch out, big man.